Just doing an update video. Did a couple mods past week or so. As you guys can see, I finally installed my carbon fiber hood. I actually took it to a shop. I didn't feel like dealing with drilling holes for this hood pin, and I mess up, and I'll be pissed off, after spending hundreds of dollars on the hood. But the shop did pretty good job, and the fitment of the hood is actually really good. The gap is about even. I mean, it's a little I guess it protruding up here and a little bit on the other side here, but it's consistent. The gap is about consistent. With aftermarket hoods, fitment's not gonna be 100% perfect, but it's pretty close, and I think it turned out really well. And also got some Michelin Pilot 4S installed. 225, 40, 18 standard, tire size for our cars. Think about getting different rims to reduce the weight. Lightweight rims. I'm not sure yet what kind of rims I'm going to get, but definitely will get some rims. So I was planning on rebuilding my transmission so I could up the boost, because I'm already used to the 384 wheel horsepower, and after a while, after about a week or so, it kind of feels a little slow. You know how the boosted life is, man. It's just like, you get excited when you first boost it, you make some power, and then after a while you get used to it, do a couple runs, and you're just like, man, I want some more power. So I know these transmissions, especially third and fourth gear, a weakness is about I think 400 wheel horsepower. So I'm pretty close to it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to rebuild the transmission, and I think these motors could handle about 500 wheel from what I've seen online. A lot of people push mid fours to low fives, no problem, for a few years, not beating on it, just daily driving it. So I think I should be safe. So once I rebuild the transmission, I'm going to up the boost, because I really want to hit the 400 wheel horsepower range, and that's just like a goal of mine. And yeah, that's about it, man. I think right now I'm just gonna finish up my suspension mods, do a couple braces, finish the braces, rear strut brace, do the front W brace, the rear tie brace, and also probably, still thinking about it, getting a carbon fiber trunk. Either getting carbon fiber trunk, getting carbon fiber spoiler, or get one of like the GT style spoilers, remove this and put a different spoiler on there, carbon fiber. So I'm still deciding, but as of right now, man, car's fun to drive. Raced a couple cars this past week, and it pulls. I really enjoy the car, and hopefully I could hit my goal. Hopefully I could get the transmission by I'd say by summertime. So we'll see, man. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just gonna enjoy the car for now. And like I said, probably do a couple more tweaks. Definitely probably get the Acuity short throw shifter. And yeah, I think that's about it. So this is just a quick update video of what I've done to the car. Let me know what you guys think about the hood. I think it turned out well. A lot of people, they don't like carbon fiber. So I mean, me personally, I think carbon fiber makes the car look a little bit better, especially if you don't go too overboard. So I feel like maybe getting the hood, maybe the trunk, maybe a spoiler, and we'll go from there. But till next time, guys,